Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is the latest update of XRP coin, my brother, to what's going on in this current time. Can they moving upward in upcoming time or not? What's the prediction? What's the opinion? This is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Because this is the end of month, so kindly holders, this is very important video for all of you to understand better now. Kindly don't skip any second of this video. My brother, XRP has completely falls down from last day, especially in this week, my friends. Especially they falls down very fastly. But definitely after affairs, every cryptocurrencies take a very good jump. So it's mean to after that, my friends. I hope in upcoming times they also move upward. So I just wait, my brother. You can see this time, 0.34% they fell down just in only in the last 1 hour. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they will give you a very good profit, and absolutely the change occur will be positive now. So this time you can see 0.91 USD dollar is the latest price, and I hope, my friend, if you can see this price is absolutely near, my friends, to 1 USD dollar hit now just in only, my friend, in a few days. So you need to hold, and they will give you, my friends, 1.5 USD dollar at the end of this month. So absolutely this is very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, also subscribe this channel, and yeah, press the bell icon for videos notification.